Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About tan x, we have sin x over cosine x. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. So we have about 3 sin x over cosine x squared minus number 2 cosine x. Now we go to the first one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x du. We got about negative sin x dx. After we do first derivative of cosine x. Next, I will move negative go to the left. This one you got about u squared. Sin x dx we change by negative du. The integration of du over negative u squared in here. You got about 3 over u and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine x. This one very simple. The integration of cosine x, you got about sin x. Now we can put the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.